Hi Shubham, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting me. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing good. Thank you. So, for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Shubham today with us for this session. He has completed some of his courses with I-MEDITA. He got a job opportunity with one of the companies. So, today we are going to discuss about his experience during the trading, what kind of approach he took for the interview preparation, what kind of growth he got based on the previous company and in this company. So, hi Shubham, welcome again, and let's get started. So, can you quickly give us your background into the IT industry, a quick introduction about yourself, please?
Yes, definitely, sir. Thank you for inviting me again. So my name is Shubham. I have around 3.5 years of working experience in network domain, and I have completed CCNA and CCNP certifications along with the network security fundamentals course from I-MEDITA. And I am currently working at Hexaware and recently got placed in the month of October last year. So far it's been a pleasant journey with I-MEDITA.
So, how was your overall experience during the training program? You mentioned you did your CCNA, CCNP, and network security training as well. So, how was your overall experience? From which all instructor you took your classes, and how was your experience with those instructors?
Well, first of all, when I came to I-MEDITA, I was skeptical about the things because I left my job and then I came to physically join the classes here in Pune. So it was scary at first, but when I joined the first CCNA batch, I think that was from Sudhanshu sir. So I took that remotely, but then I joined here and took another course from Yuvraj sir, and it was again it gave me insight of what I was lacking in my technical profiles, and I found the teachers to be quite knowledgeable, and they had huge experience, and they were certified professionally as well. So I found their method of teaching quite practical, and it actually it was actually kind of replicated by the real world examples that they gave while teaching us. And yeah, the overall experience with I-MEDITA was superb. And then I took CCNP certification course from Surendra sir, and it was again very knowledgeable, and they have so much insight. When I joined the class, I was amazed to see that how much depth of knowledge that each trainer has, and that is the reason why I'm placed right now in Hexaway. So great credit goes to the teachers here, trainers here at I-MEDITA, and obviously to you, sir, as well.
It's all your hard work. It's all your hard work. And on a general basis, on a daily basis, how much time you are spending with your classes? Like along with classes, you must be performing some labs and self study. So, how much time you are giving for your self study purposes here?
So I remember when I joined I-MEDITA physically, and I used to have classes for 2 hours, and then I used to spend around 6 hours working in the lab. So I used to replicate everything that we did in the lectures. I used to make topologies, and I used to practice for around 6 hours a day. So that happened for around 5 days or 6 days a week. So this went on for at least 6 to 7 months.
Okay.
That was my whole routine.
So, what motivated you on daily basis to spend this much of time? Because for few days, few weeks, it is possible that you are motivated to learn this technology. So, what made you dedicated spending these many hours on everyday basis?
Well, obviously, all the days are not the same, but I think a huge share of credit goes to the trainers here. I used to be always in connect with them. I used to talk to my mentors here, Sudhanshu sir, Surendra sir, and you as well, and a lot of teachers as well. Like, all of them were supportive, and they motivated me to keep going on. There were times when I was thinking, okay, what I'm doing for for major chunk of my share. in the time of the day. So, but then again, the trainers were supportive and they used to give me direction every time I lost it. So that was how I used to, it kept me going. That's how it kept me going so far.
And
Yeah.
during the training program, did you got all the required material, study guides, notes, handouts, workbooks from our side?
Yes, I got every study material that was mentioned in the brochure beforehand, and that I got it on the first day of joining the course itself.
Okay. And how much did you follow that material during your training?
Actually, that material was like Bhagavad Gita for me. So I used to read that every day, and I used to make my notes every day, and whatever the trainers uh, told us extra about the working scenarios in the industry. So I used to make notes on that book itself because uh, nothing is outside from that book. Actually, what is taught in CCNA, CCNP, or network basics and fundamentals. So I used to make my notes in that book itself. So everything that was provided by I-MEDITA was itself self-sufficient to learn these courses.
Okay. And you have faced a couple of interviews. So can you tell us how was your experience during these interviews? What kind of questions they were asking, and uh, how was your preparation for these interviews?
Yes, definitely. Being having an experience in this domain for around 3.5 years, so I was expecting the interviews to ask me technical questions, and yeah, I was expecting a lot of difficult questions, but since IMETA has covered a lot of things, a lot of concepts in a very detailed manner. So I was not facing much difficulties in answering those technical questions. But yes, whenever there were challenging situations for me, and if there was something that went wrong during an interview with respect to technical things, I used to go back to my trainers and ask them what I should have done better to answer those questions. So that was about my interview experience after doing the courses.
And what kind of growth you have got with this company compared to previous company? Don't disclose your CTC or package, but in terms of percentage, if you were getting something in the previous organization, what kind of growth you have got here?
I have got around 40% of growth from my previous CTC or
Okay.
last drawn. So it's been more than what I asked for.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. And any message you have for people who are preparing for these kind of interviews now? Do you have any feedback or any suggestion for them what approach they should take in order to uh, follow an approach for the interviews and uh, interview related processes?
Yes, my first advice would be to follow the guidance of their trainers. That would be the first prerequisite for cracking the interviews and technical questions. And my second advice would be to give as much as time as you can in the lab to perform the practicals that are taught in the class, because you can't do the practicals and learn simultaneously in the lecture that usually is imparted by the trainers. So my request is to spend 6 to 8 hours working by yourself on the topologies, on the protocols that you learn, everything. So that is how you will get to know about technical aspects of networking. So these two things are there, and obviously, from the interview point of view, whatever guidance that you get from our mentors, from you, sir, I mean, they have to follow that. Every kind of how you introduce yourself matters a lot. How you prepare your question bank for for the interview questions, that matters a lot. So interview preparation is very important as well to crack the interview.
You
So
mentioned
these
that
are
you left your previous job and you came here for some courses. Was it because you were not able to give sufficient time for your learning purposes when you were working? Because now you are working, you mentioned you advise this that people should spend maximum time, but sometime as a working professional, we are not able to give that much of time. Okay, so you took
Yes.
this gap, you came here, did some courses, because you were not able to spend sufficient time with your work previously. That was the reason.
Yes, I joined I-MEDITA. I took actually I-MEDITA's course while I was working there in Bangalore. But then I realized that this won't actually do justice with the kind of content that I-MEDITA is providing. And I won't be able to take the most out of it if I'm juggling both the things simultaneously. So it was a tough decision, but I left my job and then I came here and learned a lot of things. And I must say that that it has been fruitful, very fruitful for me.
Okay.
So, yeah.
What are the major three, four things you liked here at I-MEDITA?
Well, the first of all, it's the infrastructure that is provided by I-MEDITA. There are a lot of, labs you can access from online as well. From actually, you can you can access that remotely, and you can access them while being in the lab. That is the first thing. Then the certified trainers are there actually, and they are hugely experienced, and they have done their certifications, CCI certifications, and so there is no doubt in their expertise. So that is the next thing, and then I would say the career counseling and then interview preparation. This step is actually very much important. So which is not provided anywhere. So these three things I liked the most at iMedita.
Based on your training with I-MEDITA, based on your experience during this program, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
I would rate it 10 on 10 because for what I joined iMedita, I've got it finally. So I'm happy and I would give 10 out of 10 to
Okay.
iMedita.
Do you have any suggestion, any feedback for us through which we might improve our training and services in future?
Well, I think you are already performing to the best of your abilities. So I don't have any reviews. I don't have any feedbacks for this.
Thank you, Shubham. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best. It's all your hard work. It's all your dedication. You have got this wonderful opportunity. We wish you all the very best for your future success.
Thank you,
Keep
sir.
learning, keep growing, stay in touch, and all the best again. And thank you for giving us your valuable time.
Thank you, sir.
Have a
And have
good
a good day.